What's going on, traders? Welcome to the channel. My name's John. That's Groot. It's Friday. Let's trade options here. All right, all right. I have been trying so hard to get a graphics card. I don't think I ever will. But we're going to cover a couple things. Let's look at AMC. A lot of things moving on the account. So let's dive into those really quick here. Okay, so in this one here, I set up a trade in Mara the other day, covered call. I've just been kind of collecting income from that every about week or so. This was open 2 days ago. Should have took my profits earlier. I was at about 40%, like $100 or so. In 2 days, that's great. Plan here, let's sell this bad boy, and then we can just dive back into the trade at a later date. So that's kind of the intention here. Basically, I sold a covered call. It has now profited. So it's time to literally just buy to close and take my profits, and then I'll just reset the probabilities when I have a chance. So in essence, I sold at a credit. I took in a $250 credit. Now I'm actually paying them back at 160. So I'm netting that difference there, which is the $90 here. So 161 it looks like. So let's get that submitted and in, and then I will just wait it out in Webull. Actually closed my AMC trade yesterday. It was just something I wanted to get off the account, off the books, basically looking good. So right now I'm just gonna leave. I don't see any opportunities today, at least, but if something does pop up, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But I'm looking at 33.11 in the Webull account currently. Okay, let's talk Tasty Works and my AMC expiration extravaganza. Okay, in this trade AMC, I did a couple things. So basically, the real play here was my 28 calls, and what I ended up doing, I had 3 of them. So here's the plan. I'm going to actually exercise one of them. And what you do is you just hold to expiration, and you have to have the buying power in the account, and Tasty will just auto exercise for you. And I confirm with chat, so if they don't, they're in trouble. They'll have the wrath of Groot on them. This 35 call, I'm also going to exercise, actually, ironically. Goal here between both of these will be to collect premium income, and I'll show you that here as we look, just look at the weeklies. So I'm going 7 days out in AMC, and I mean, you're going to say just go $10 out just for fun. I mean, that's $800 in 7 days. If AMC decides to pump, like maybe they have a mini rally within the day, you can go out. This means you can go out like 15 or 20 points and probably still collect the same amount of premium. Or you want to be ultra safe, when they have a real big pump, just go out to like 145, right? And what'll happen is maybe these 145 calls will be trading. Let's see, at its highest point, they were trading at, ooh, it won't let me. So they're trading at about $500 or $600, and so that's pretty cool, because what can happen is you'll collect $600 of premium, and if AMC somehow decides to go, really high to like $150 a share or 200, well, your shares would get called away at that price. So I'd literally pocket the difference. I'd take the premium and I'd pocket the difference between $28 and 145. Honestly, I'd have to say I'd be pretty happy with that, because worst case I can just jump back in, with so much volatility. Maybe AMC drops lower or something. So now let's talk about these other ones. You'll see they're yellow. I've got more time, 28 days remaining. I actually rolled out and up. So previous video, I'll link it, but check it out. It explains how to roll your call options. And I did the out and up method. I actually basically sold the current 28 call and then bought out further, a month further to be exact, and I bought the 29. So I rolled out and then up a call strike, and then on the other one did the same thing but with the 30 call. So I actually did get basically paid on one, and then I had to pay a little bit on the other. So I netted almost like a zero. I'm about net break even on that, which is good. Essentially, I bought time, but I paid for it in intrinsic value.